Rajan, and I'm from Artisan Entertainments Private Limited. The main thing for me to attend this 2 days workshop is I'm actually to the new field right now. Prior to this, I was into customer care, where I know the process, I know how to explain, where I don't have the option of negotiating or convincing or influencing the customer. With the 2 days workshop, what I understood is if you are completely prepared, if you completely know about what you are talking, you definitely win. And also the enthusiasm that I got from Amit, it's excellent. I'm really happy for it, and thanks for giving us this kind of opportunity to let us understand what we are, what is the potential that we have inside us. I really thank you guys, and it's been a great pleasure. Yes, I have the confidence to go for it. It is a new field, yes, but still I'm excited about it. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Venkatesh from Focus Augmented Reality.
Yeah, hi, I'm Dinesh Babu from Focus AI Solution. We are put up in Chennai. Last 2 days we had attended the Authoritative Sales Training in our Chennai. And first of all, I would like to thank for Amit team. They done a very great, great training for us, and we learn more things from us. And main key point which I learned from here is how we want to pitch the sales. First of all, even I am as a salesperson, I cannot pitch some sales. I am not able to close some deal. But after these 2 days, I learned more things, and he gave me more strategy how to close the deal within a day. And I had a few points also. In the future, I will apply the same formula kind of stuff, and we will improve. And I will become after 15 years, I will become a CEO for a company. And that time, I will approach Mr. Amit for my training. So this is how I learned from him.
Actually, we have the answer now. We have some clear picture. What kind of things we needed to make.
Through this training, we got more idea and more strategies.
Yes.
So surely we will apply and get it done.
Yes, thank you.